Good afternoon, everyone. It is Sunday, March 24th. The time is 2:51 p.m. and the temperature is around -1 degree Celsius, but it kind of feels like, I would say, +1 with a slight wind chill. And I'm here at Scarborough Bluffs Park, located a bit southeast of Brimley Road and Kingston Road in the borough of Scarborough, and we've been walking around Scarborough Bluffs for like an hour. And the last time I was here at Scarborough Bluffs was last year on January 20th, 2023, and I recently did a video around this part here, around the Scarborough Bluffs Park, and I'll definitely put a link to that video in the description below, so you guys can feel free to check that out. And it's another sunny day here in the city. Lots of clear blue skies, no clouds, and some sunshine. And here's a look south along towards Lake Ontario and towards all the way to the USA. And I am joined by my three awesome friends. This is John Barrientos and Reeboks Pro, aka Vasiliy.
Yeah.
And Toronto Tech in Transit, aka Henry, who is live streaming.
Yeah.
All right. So, how are you guys enjoying the Scarborough Bluffs Park?
Excellent. Oh, it's gorgeous, gorgeous. Just take a look at the water, it's sparkling.
Oh, it's amazing. I give it a 10 out of 10.
It's the best.
Awesome.
Great company.
Yes.
Yeah. Walking here with friends.
That's right.
Always good.
Yep. And just to the south of here, we see some seagulls. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, around 12 seagulls, and including these seagulls over here. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's like, I would say there's like a millions or hundreds, thousands of seagulls. There's even one by the parking lot too, John. Yeah.
The Steven Seagal.
Yeah. So we're just gonna tour around the main Scarborough Bluffs Park. And it's actually my second time doing a video here at Scarborough Bluffs. The last time I was here was when it was a very cloudy day, but this time it's very sunny. So a great day to be coming to Scarborough Bluffs with friends, families, and to explore around and enjoying the nice view, water waves. We got a few humans, not a lot, so I guess they're having a great time here as well. And also today, the ROM, the Royal Ontario Museum, is still free. I was gonna start my video, like meaning that I was going to head over to the ROM, but the thing is, the lineup is like too long, and it's gonna be like an hour wait in order to get inside the ROM for free, like free admission, where they are celebrating 110th anniversary at the ROM, and we decided that since it's a nice day, we decided to check out Scarborough Bluffs on a brilliant sunny day like this. There are my three awesome friends. So basically, we were at Kennedy Station a few hours ago, and then we had to take the 12 Kingston Road bus from Kennedy to Brimley and Kingston, and then we had to walk for at least 10 minutes from Brimley and Kingston to Bluffers Park. And unfortunately, the 201 Bluffers Park route is not operating today. That route only operates between the months of May. Yeah, it operates between the months of May and October, and that route operates from Scarborough Bluffs to Kennedy Station and back and forth. And I think last year, originally, the Bluffers Park route used to operate on the 175, but they actually changed it to the 201 Bluffers Park route. It's only a seasonal route that operates between Kennedy Station and Scarborough Bluffs. So let's just enjoy the water waves. And here we got some big giant rocks like mountains. Oh, that would be a good idea to come here during the sunrise or maybe sunset.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Both.
Yeah.
Sunrise from the east and sunset from the west.
Addy, there's John. Take off the shoes. Who said that?
Yeah, who said?
Addy. You know what Papatos?
Oh, Addy.
Addy usually. Okay, Wesley, thanks for sharing that, Wesley.
Oh, I think I hear a plane or a helicopter. I can't even see it properly. That sun is so bright.
Hawaii 5-0. The plane.
Oh, it's a I see a plane.
Oh, it's right there. See it?
Hopefully the camera's picking up. Yeah, there it is. Oh, now it's blurry. If that plane is too high up. So it's always nice to be back here at Scarborough Bluffs after a while. And I'll definitely come back here in the summertime. Maybe in July or August, or maybe towards the end of June, the day before Canada's Day. And if you guys are coming, and if you guys are planning to check out Scarborough Bluffs, I recommend you coming during the daytime rather at night, because at nighttime, the Scarborough Bluffs will be pitch black, and you won't be able to see anything clear because you don't see any lights. So I recommend you coming during the daytime on a nice sunny day like this. So yeah, that's my recommendation. I think we can head east and then we come back.
Sure.
Yeah. So we'll be heading east for a few blocks and along the entirety of Scarborough Bluffs, and we'll head back. We're gonna head back west towards where I started this video. I can just stand here all day just watching the water waves and just enjoying it. And look, I think I see two seagulls. These two white seagulls. If I can. Yep, I see them. But what a gorgeous view that is.
Foolish people who try to get too close. They don't want to allow people to get obviously reasons want to get too close. So they get way up too close up there. Oh look.
Oh look, two doggies. Hello. Woohoo! Look at that. Two doggies chasing others. Oh, they're meeting another doggy here. Look at that. Holy cow, look at that. Hello, doggy. You're on camera. Go, doggy, go. Go, doggy, go. Oh, take care, Jelly Bean. Bye, Jelly Bean.
Can't say bye, Jelly Bean. You get Jelly Bean.
See ya, Jelly Bean.
Yep. Oh, look at this tree branch. Just out of nowhere. Oh, we got more doggies. Oh, never mind. I think there's one over there. Now 3 doggies. 3, 4. I see number 5 and around 6 dogs in total. Oh yeah, and also to mention, today is the last day of the free admission at the Borough Ontario Museum. Oh, oh, doggies! Look at that. These two cues here. Look at that. Huh, I'm not sure if I can basically own a dog. Like, I've been wanting to have a dog in my entire life, but I mean, it is a big responsibility where I have to. What's that pro here? I know, it's like a little. Look at that. It's like a path puddle, if you can call it, if that makes sense. So here we got some snow, sand at Scarborough Bluffs. Isn't that amazing?
I've never been on a boat here, Addie. I'm sure John probably has. John, you've probably been on a boat. You've probably been on a boat as well.
Oh, on it? No.
Oh, okay.
Like I've seen like the yachts and stuff, but the boats, I haven't been actually, because they were all coverage.
Sure. Yeah, and just further west over there is where they store their boats, and you can use them. I think it costs $60, maybe even around $50 if you want to borrow these boats. Just it's like way down there, a bit west of the main Scarborough Bluffs, and yeah, and over here you don't see that many boats, but once you go across to the west, you'll definitely see it. And over there, you'll see the parking lot. That's where we came from, and we came over here at the main Scarborough Bluffs Park, filled with some sands and snow. I love it. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh crap. My bad, guys. Just gonna fix my gimbal here. There we go. Oops. Sorry for the shakiness. Oh, relax. Relax. We're not trying to be scared.
You have to walk backwards, no problem.
There's Henry walking backwards. You know what? Maybe I'll do the same thing too. Now, me and Henry are walking backwards. John Barrientos and Vasiliy. See? Nobody behind me, so I can walk backwards.
Yeah. All for Brad, moonwalk.
Hey, yeah, right on, John. Right on.
Oh, the white dog is like the one you had, a German short-haired pointer. I wonder if that dog would also be a German short-haired pointer.
And now I'm the only one walking backwards. Out of these guys here.
There's some little sick there.
Where? Oh, I'm aware. There's like so many
Absolutely,
small sick branches
hot dog in
on the
summertime.
sand.
Summertime.
That dog is still barking.
This house has a good view.
Oh,
Oh, there's a house there, yeah.
oh, there it is.
No way.
Hold on, let me zoom it. There is the house.
Sunlight.
Way up there. Way up there.
Especially from there.
Oh yeah? Okay, now I'm
Actually
gonna
had a delicious hot dog.
continue to walk backwards.
Oh, this is a nice flat snow that
There's like so many sand prints. Very similar to snow prints. Snow footprints is what I meant to say. Snow footprints, sand footprints. Look at that. There's like so many sand footprints everywhere. Including on the snow. And just way over there, just way off in the distance, you'll see the Pickering skyline. Hopefully the camera's picking up. It's like somewhere down there. I can't really see it because Pickering is so far away from where we are at Scarborough Bluffs. It's like I think it's like an hour drive from here to Pickering. If I'm possibly right. Hey.
it's buffering. We're going that way.
Oh, buffering? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, now it's picking up. Now it's picking up.
Oh,
Try again.
was it buffering? Okay.
Try again.
Yeah, have you switched Rogers or Bell?
Rogers now.
Okay, okay. Yeah, we can continue east for a bit.
What about the beach is by Cube, where the RC water, a Harris water treatment plant,
Yeah.
and they have a secret beach on the other side of the fence there, Woodbine Beach.
Yeah.
And I remember walking through there.
Yeah,
Bell didn't even have any signal at all, but Rogers came through.
right.
Right now, right now it's walking.
Was that Pine Park?
Yeah, it's, they don't want people to go there because, but it's
Yeah, usually around here it's like a buffering, usually. So for my next stream, I'll try to avoid some nature walks and I'll just go on the street and live stream for me, for my stream.
Oh yeah. But some nature places you can do.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Hyde Park Bell is very good, very very good.
Okay, so maybe one day for sure I'll definitely stream Hyde Park.
I guess that's back. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's back? Okay.
I got a full bar. Full 5 bars.
I still got.
I think my chats are frozen, so
Yeah, I got 2 bars, so mine is as
Oh.
frozen as yours.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's fluctuating.
I mean,
Mine
it
is
happens.
going, like, really slowly.
It happens sometimes.
sorry guys. I won't be able to respond to the chat. The last chat I saw was Reebok Pro saying hello to Chicago.
And that was a while.
Yeah. But I got great friends here to let me know. Do you have any of our friends that just joined the
Oh,
chat?
Rafiq is here.
Oh, Rafiq.
Rafiq
Oh,
is in the
Rafiq.
chat.
Thanks very much. Rafiq, hello Rafiq.
Hello, Rafiq. Just amazing. The view is excellent. 100%. Let's just enjoy the view.
Yeah.
All right.
If we keep walking, are we able to keep going? Or it just cuts off there?
I think it will cut off down there.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so we're gonna walk back west once we reach the end.
Oh, right there, yeah.
Yeah. I guess we can go for a few blocks east. Oops, I did my gimbals. we go. Hey, doggy. Ooh, water waves. I see a few clouds, just one cloud, but mostly lots of sunshine and clear blue skies is what I love the most.
How you doing? How you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great.
Compan would like to make at least a 1 hour video or more.
Maybe less, I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, watch out for that big puddle here.
Thank
Big,
you.
big hole.
If you didn't say anything, I would.
You're like, whoops. Oh, this thing here. It's like a small river puddle. Oh, you can see my shadow here. Hey, shadow.
Shadow Jitsu.
No. I mean, like,
Naruto.
yeah.
If you really want to be able to live
What's my cable doing? No, not bad. Only at 55%. So the battery is holding up. Oh, this sand is so swishy. We can walk up to the rocks.
Wouldn't that be cool if there was a way to go?
Yeah, but unfortunately it just stops there.
Oh, it does. Oh.
Yeah. We can basically stay on the rocks and we can walk back west. Everything good? Everything good? Yeah.
Life is great. Oh my God.
I feel like there's something big here. What is that?
Oh, that? Oh, it's a small snowman here. A very small snowman. I wonder who made it.
Yeah, I know that. I thought that's you. Yeah.
Look at that. Well, hello, snowman.
That's awesome, man.
Reminds me of the song called Frosty the Snowman. Look at that. 2 hands, no feet, no eyes, no ears, just hands. Hand 6. Oh, careful here. Oh my.
I like cold coffee too.
I guess we'll stay here for now. Walking east or something. Yeah, I wonder what's over there. Oh, I'm gonna walk slowly, just watch my surroundings and not look at the camera too much. Hopefully, there's Henry right in front of me. Careful! Oh, oh my God. Hopefully I don't fall in. Hopefully my gimbal and my phone don't get wet. And if I land in the water by accident. Man, I wish the path was more straight and not like so many rocks where I can like, you know, where it might be easily, oh shoot, my bad, where it might be easily to fall off or fall down. I'm taking my time. It's all good. Maybe I'll just stand over.
Don't come if you don't feel safe. Are you guys gonna be okay?
Yeah. I'm walking slow, Henry. Oh, come on, you freaking. Woo! Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, we got so many rocks here. Look at that. I'm even brave enough to walk slowly as I can. Watch out. Now the footage here. Man, how am I gonna get over there where Henry is? How on earth? I mean, it's good practice. Oh. Oh crap! There we go. Yeah, I guess here's good. Close to the waterway here. Okay, now we're almost there, I'm brave enough to walk on these rocks. Oopsie, oopsie. Ah! Okay. I almost fell down in the water, but I mean there are waterways right here.
It's quite the adventure.
It is. Welcome to the adventures, as John said. Coming. All right, here we are. Scarborough Bluffs. Water waves coming towards us. Oh, mud footprints. We're gonna go here.
This is the adventure we're having here. Yeah, just when we have such a positive
Mud footprints. Look at this big giant rock mountains over there.
Okay, now just try right here. Wow, eh?
I guess here's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, we can't go any further. Yeah. All right. So we were all brave walking on the rocks from one end to another.
No, I'm not. No, they're all graffiti. I think it's cleaning. Oh yeah, Chase says, I meant at another, another beach by Woodbine Beach.
Oh, I've been to Woodbine Beach, mate, a few times. I did my first video, but we'll definitely go back there again.
Well, you made it!
All right.
Yo, I almost got stuck.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Quite wonderful, Tracy.
I made it finally.
Awesome.
Wonderful. Wow.
He's trying to run it.
Maybe just walk over it. Just walk in front of it.
Oh, walk around maybe.
Just walk on the bit of water waves. Yeah. I mean, good question, Henry. Good question. I think.
But what of you, eh? You
Um,
guys are troopers to make me. I know it was a bit of a
it might be too tough for me to climb those heavy rocks up to the very top, but
It'll be muddy going down.
it'll be like very muddy.
I could probably
Oh, we're
I could just climb up
I don't think it was
these
good,
giant
yeah,
rocks. I
I know,
don't know.
Sakasta, yeah, we're gonna walk. We'll walk back.
We're gonna walk back.
Yeah.
Have a quick,
All right, I'll do a quick tour here, then we'll go back. I mean,
sorry, John. May I ask?
maybe I'll stay here.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
Oh crap! Now my boots now it's all muddy. Whoa, that's not.
I think it's worth it. You did have to be careful of the rocks there.
Yeah, because
Oh, somebody else.
hopefully no dingus.
We'll deal with it.
no dengue, as Quacky would say.
Dengue fever, like you said.
Yeah.
No, I think they gave up. See, they gave up. They said it hot. See, they gave up.
Yeah, and they were like, how did we get here?
Where's the adventurers?
And there's a lot of nice flat rocks here. You can see.
Oh yeah, look, small rocks.
Like nice rocks.
Yeah, very small rocks here. Look at that. Water waves, everything. Maybe I'll stay here for now. Maybe I'll go close. Oh, nice one, John. Nice one. Let's see if the water waves. Maybe I'll go close. Woo! Oh my! No, I'm good. I'm wearing like waterproof boots or something.
I can't the Bessies.
Yeah, so I don't think you can go further east because there's no path, and if we walk continue east straight down there, then all of a sudden we might fall into the water. So there's no point of doing that, but. Oh well, it's worth it. I guess we could walk back to where we,
How much, nowhere to put the garbage. I
Yeah.
fell in the mud here.
Oh,
We gotta bring it back.
yeah. All right, now we're going back to the main Scarborough Bluffs. Oh, hey, Nancy Mattis. Hey, Nancy.
An hour and away. An hour east.
Probably more than an hour.
My car is
Whoa, catching up.
Oh, water waves. But imagine coming here in the snowstorm. What would that look
idea.
like?
I don't
No way. Snow and especially if you're going uphill along Brimley back to Kingston, it's gonna be a tough drive. Oh my boots. That's fine. So many muds here. They should clean up the mud.
What's your stuff here?
Yeah. Oh, very low clearance. That tree branch is near the eye level. Oh, remember? We can do the obstacle or the obstacle run, whatever you call it. So now we're back to walking on this freaking rocks. Oh crap! I'm trying my best to walk on these rocks, but maybe I'll walk here. Maybe more easier. Ooh.
Okay?
Yeah, right.
Journey into Scarborough Bluffs. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah.
Yeah. The rocks might be a bit complicated to walk on
Oh, well, thank you very much.
because they're not very stable.
Thank you very much for the journey. Keep that in mind. Just go and buy a. You definitely get to do that, Paulo. Thank you very much. My God. Yeah, but pretty easy to get here, Joseph.
Oh.
And then from the front, there's a The only tricky part is when you get off the bus and you have to walk. There's no sidewalk. You have to walk on the road. I don't know why they haven't made sidewalks. It's only just a 20 minutes.
Yeah, it's pretty annoying. Like when we were walking, like earlier when we were walking south on Brimley from Kingston Road, they didn't have any sidewalks, so we had to like walk on the side of the road. We were walking on the west side corner heading south. Oh, that's a few snow here. A lot of snow here. There's like so many broken tree branches here.
That must have been a week. I saw that. Check it out. Actually, how much snow.
Oh crap.
Yeah, careful with the twigs here. They might.
Well, it's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be a challenge, Vasiliy.
The branches might hit you back.
Yeah.
Just careful.
Oh yeah, it reminds me of the jungle, the forest. A movie called The Jungle Book. A very cool Disney movie that I recently saw when I was a kid.
Yeah, that's just our chance. Yeah.
It's like we're in the forest, jungle. I mean forest and the jungle. I mean, they both mean the same thing, I think. I mean, it really does. But I prefer the forest rather than the jungle, or the jungle rather than the forest. Hopefully, so far I was brave enough to walk on the rocks and on those small and big tree branches that have been broken apart. Yep, we're good. Yep. All right, so we finally made it to where we started walking on those rocks and a bit of tree branches. We made it. All of us are. All of us.
Yeah. Japan, TTC.
Toronto Tech and Transit. Oh, there's a snowman here. Bye, snowman. We'll see you soon.
Yeah. Cute little snow.
Yeah.
I guess you think that the snowman's guardian.
See, look what happens to my fell in the mud, so just bye-bye for this.
Alright, take care, Frosty the Snowman.
Oh yeah. Take care, Frosty the Snowman. I don't know some of it, but I'm good. I mean, I could be the best singer, but it does take a lot of practice for me to sing Frosty the Snowman song. I recently listened to that song when I was driving to work home, or when I go on my driving adventures. All right, now we're gonna walk back west towards the main part of Scarborough Bluffs. Oh, look at this hole here. A big sand hole. What is this?
Just as long as that not quicksand.
Yeah?
You can see the pop. Yeah, it's further down, that's where the lighthouse is.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, thank you, man. You definitely want to see the lighthouse.
It's further down.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Oh, yes, man. That's very popular. All year round, man. Especially in summer, yeah.
All right. So once we get further down west towards the main part of Scarborough Bluffs, then maybe I'll end my video. I'm not gonna go for an hour and 2 hours. I've done like an hour and 2 hour video so much. So I'll probably end my video in about 10 minutes. maybe even 50 minutes. We'll see. I might go for an hour. An hour at 40 minutes and 16 seconds. I'm gonna walk this side. I don't want to step on that big hole here. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Whew. That was it. There's my reflection, or a dingus trying to follow me.
Probably the houses are worth maybe $1 million.
How much? 8 million?
Maybe $1 million. I don't know, maybe more.
Well, it can't be $8 million to buy a house. Well, or million, yeah.
Because of the view?
$1 million. I'm not sure about 2 million, but it is what it is.
Yeah, better
What a nice day it is. I can't complain. Really, I can't. I really can't complain about how nice the weather is. A very perfect day to come here and to explore around, doing some more nature walks. And here we got some more doggies. I know for a feeling that doggies can be too funny when they, when they run towards us. Oh, what is this? You look what I found. A Dorito chips. Doritos. Yeah, I'm like, who the hell will litter at Scarborough Bluffs? Like, nobody should ever litter some garbage, like some garbage is like Doritos or anything on the sand at Scarborough Bluffs. Like, not allowed, illegal, very illegal. Small doggies over here.
I know which one you're talking about.
Yeah, the black ones. It's the black ones.
Doggies. You can tell that Scarborough Bluffs looks a bit similar to Woodbine Beach, where I did my first video, and I'll definitely go back to Woodbine Beach. I'm not sure when exactly, but thinking in April, which is next month. Oh, there's a big black dog.
Oh, they're enjoying it. They're enjoying it.
Oh, look, two dogs just jumped into the water, swimming. I'm pretty sure dogs are more brave enough to swim in a big lake, like this kind of Lake Ontario.
We take you everywhere. And like John said, only going to get more and more adventures up to the street.
It's always an adventure.
More adventures to come. More adventures to come. Just can't stop capturing the doggies. I love dogs. I remember I think my grandmother still has a dog. 2 dogs, I think. And you can tell that some dogs are friendly, some aren't. It really depends. I think it really depends on their reactions about how friendly dogs are. But I think there's even our pleasure. Our pleasure.
Great friends working together.
That's right. Great friends like
Here
us.
at the Scarborough Bluffs. You might have your hands up, Bluffer Park. Yeah.
Yes,
Enough
Caster.
6,000.
Should come and join us.
Food is delicious. Yeah, and I would love to, if enough 6,000, whatever, enough 6,000 or any of my friends, if you ever want to work together, you can definitely do so. Okay, sure, Nancy. Nancy Madison, hi to John B.
Hi, Nancy.
And the parent and Vasiliy.
Nancy Mattis, our awesome friend
Yeah,
from Can's Chat.
That's cardboard tasting.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is for the agriculture. Yeah, a lot of agricultural bars
We got some snow here. See, this is what I like about Scarborough Bluffs during a bit of a winter seasonal. Some snows, sands. Last time when I was here, there was no snow. Back on January 20th. Like, it wasn't even snowing on that day, so it was only just sands. But this time, we're seeing sands and snows. A lot of snow.
Oh, another screen. Another mini screen.
Oh,
Oh, it got bigger.
mini screen. Okay, I'll probably end the video at in the next 10 minutes. Oh, I wonder how I can jump over that mild, like small puddle.
Oh, long jump.
Maybe I'll
Long jump.
just walk slowly.
Yeah, gas station.
There you go.
Yep. We got wide distribution.
Look, I think I see someone canoeing or maybe on a really stand boat.
So great you can be here. Yeah, you guys can teach you, John. I run track and did long jump.
I think someone's doing on the water, like I think, is it canoeing or something?
Maybe.
Probably.
That was my guess.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I think there's someone canoeing, probably standing, not
Yeah,
sitting
he's
down.
like standing.
Oh,
Descending.
Paddleboard.
Paddleboard, yes,
Yeah, paddleboard.
yes. That's what I meant to say. Someone's paddleboarding on the water, not canoeing, because canoeing means you're sitting down and canoeing. But when you're standing, you're like paddling the water. Now I see. Now I see more clearly. Now I think it's coming towards the beach, the Scarborough Bluffs beach. Oh, someone's paddleboarding towards the beach. I can see it.
Yeah, he's going. That person's going.
Yeah. I hope he is dressed for him.
I'm sure he's strong enough.
Oh yeah, he's.
Withstand with the
I think I have a feeling that guy over there was paddling the water is wearing maybe shorts, maybe a t-shirt. I don't
It's gotta be like a triathlon hat.
know. Maybe. Yeah, it's. I mean that guy is brave enough to paddle the water. So now he's swimming. Now he's on the water. Oh no, I think he's swimming backwards. No wonder. Okay. Yeah, I just saw it from because I have good eyes and I'm wearing sunglasses. I mean what a nice day to be swimming, even though we're still towards the end of March. And also, this weekend will be the Easter long weekend.
Oh, yeah,
meaning that Friday, March 29th, will be Good Friday. Hey, doggy. Hey, doggy. Hey, doggy. Where is he going? He's gonna meet the other dog.
Oh, okay, Bluffer has been...
You can tell that dogs are very funny. I can definitely tell for sure. They're my three awesome friends. Oh, I think someone. Aw, so cute.
Little seagull.
Oh, hi, seagull. I'm gonna follow you around.
It is expensive.
Hi, seagull. Hi, seagull. Hi, seagull. Hi, seagull. Come on. Hi, seagull. I'm Sapan. 56-4. What's up? Are we just gonna stand here all day? Or maybe the seagull is enjoying the nice sunshine. All right, I'm not gonna stay here too long. Goodbye, seagull. I'll see you soon. All right, so I think we have reached the 54-minute mark. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed the tour around Scarborough Bluffs. It has been a lot of fun on a sunny day like this, where we captured the water waves, doggies, snow that's on the ground, and all other natures. And this guy here is still paddling on the water. He was like, I saw him swimming, but now he's on the boat, or paddle boat is I think that's what it's called. And here's where you'll see the lifeguard on duty, but on the sign it says no lifeguard on duty. Usually in the summertime you'll see some lifeguards sitting there making sure that everyone's safe. Oh, there's like 2 lifeguards. One over there and over there, so 2 of them. And I think 3 of them, never mind. One on that side. the other one, and that one. So there are 3 lifeguard duties, even though it's not there. But so far, it's been a fun walk along Scarborough Bluffs Park on a sunny day. Henry, I'm going to end my video, so do you have any final words?
Oh, wow,
Yeah.
Japan. Thank you very much for coming out here with me, John, and
Oh, you're
Vasiliy,
welcome.
and-
Yeah, it's been fun, joining you for the walk. It's on a nice day, and
Yeah, can't wait
Yeah,
to see
it
a
was a
video.
nice walk.
yeah, and thank you,
absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank
It's always
you,
a great adventure.
Ross
And
Pro,
always an honor to be
Vasiliy,
with
and
all
John
of you.
Barrientos. Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I have an Instagram account at Japan TTC Explorer, and there is a super thanks button in below this video if you wish to say thanks that way as well. So I'll also be joining Henry, John Barrientos, and Vasiliy for the entirety of the live stream. And I hope everyone has a great rest of your Sunday afternoon / evening. Enjoy this lovely day, and don't forget, today is the last day that the rum is free. So if you guys are planning to go to the rum for free, today is the only day. All right, so thanks for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Adios. Ending. Now it's been 57 minutes and 20 seconds.